that's good right there. Oh wait, maybe a little more.
That's how far it goes.
Okay, now we gotta wait a couple more minutes while they cool off, and then you gotta scoop them out of there. Stick this side in, this way.
You got the pan,
You
Mom.
wanna pull it out? The pan might still be a little hot.
There's the cookies.
There you go.
Mom, look, we made snowman.
Oh, yeah. So let's leave it there. Daddy can check and see if it's hot or if you can touch it yet.
Still a lot.
Let's see, Jackson. Can I get a smile?
Cheese.